Hi, it's Amy, and today we're gonna do a leopard print look with a nice bright accent finger. Enjoy! First we're going to go in with Flirty Flamingo. So as usual, pull the skin back to make sure you get it nice and crisp to the cuticle area and nice and straight down the side walls. Pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds and then go in with a second coat of Flirty Flamingo. And then pop that in for another 30 seconds. So with Barley Fields, it's a nice creamy colour. We're going to go in on this nail here because that'll be the base for our print, and on the thumb. And then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then if you go in with the second layer, back in the lip, 30 seconds. So when they've finished, I want another Barley Fields on this one, but only on half of it. Pop that in the lamp for me for 30 seconds and then give that just a quick second thin coat just on the one side and then pop that in the lamp. So whilst that's happened, I have a curing, on the back of a form. I'm going to put some Serious Black, Autumn Charm, which is a nice brown colour, and Trench Coat, which is a light grey. Use some gel residue wipe off solution on a lint free pad, and I'm going to clean the nails. Barley Fields, and then with a 002 brush, I'm going to go in with Trench Coat down the middle of that middle finger and fill in the rest of the nail. And pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to go back in with my 002 brush and load it up with Autumn Charm, and on the 3 with the Barley Fields colour we're going to do some little splodges. And then when you splodge it like myself, take your lint-free wipe, some of the gel residue, and just wipe that off the skin. And touch it up before you pop it in the lamp to cure it for 30 seconds. 002 brush, I'm going to load up with Serious Black, and then we're going to frame the leopard prints. So once you've framed that one, you can go in and do your random little patterns that would happen on a leopard print. Move on to your next one. And then pop that in the lamp when you're happy with it. And finally, before we top coat, go more Serious Black and just put a nice line down this middle finger to separate the colours, and pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then we're going to go in with the Urban Graffiti matte top coat. I'm going to top coat all nails. And then pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So with some gel residue wipe off solution and a lint free wipe, let's go into take the sticky top off that matte coat. So there you have it, another leopard print look. Highly requested in salon is a leopard print, so that's just another version of one for you. All the products that we've used today will be listed in the description box below. If you've liked this video, give us a like and share a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.